It's a good day today. It marks a very special day. I signed my first client with my social media marketing agency, which is fantastic news. This is her Jenny, the physio, and we're going to be transforming her Instagram, transforming it in order to promote her business. Now that is really important because she has helped me massively, who has gone through sufficient back injuries after I broke my spine 9 months ago. Now to recover, and I cannot tell you how good physios are. So let me put you on for now. My first technical promotion for her is go and see your local physio, go and help them out, be helpful to their business, go and promote them via social media. So yeah, we'll be transforming her social media, so yeah, follow along for our journey. As well, I've been building the company of my social media marketing agency, Actis Markets. As you can see here is our profile banner. It's looking very sharp. And my partner, who has recently joined the team with me, George, will be following along on this journey as well. So we look forward to taking this forward. It's going to be a big, exciting next year for us. So that is how we're going to proceed, and yeah, follow along to see the journey of our marketing agency.